Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can switch accounts on Messenger. It's super easy. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app, and if you have logged in your previous account, so then you can switch it to another profile. So to do this, you have to go to main menu and then go to your name and then click on it, and then you will see over here switch accounts over here. For me, I have logged out my all accounts over here, so once I click on that, and then you will see over here loading. So not now, and as you can see over here, this account is logged in. So that's how you can switch your accounts in Messenger. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.